man.
Have a good day. Whoa, dude. Nice. Another 392 square. Phenomenal. That's a lot of space. Hey, look at all that.
Yeah, really. Man, if I had that much room to work on the headers.
I know, right? That's awesome. All right. Road Runner. Let's see what we got here. It is long. You got a measuring tape?
I should put a wing like that on mine.
That is awesome. 1970 Superbird. Certificate of origin is.
This is the car that they basically started thinking about aerodynamics. This is the car.
It did set world records too.
Yeah.
At the time, I guess. Road Runner. Oh. That is quite the wing.
I think it is. Yeah, I think it is kind of.
A penal children's aid intern and
383 Barracuda. Don't touch.
So Tuck will be pulling the ticket. We're going to use a box because some of you may remember last year we had so many tickets that the raffle drum was packed so tight that it didn't spin properly. And for Gary, we have one color of tickets this year. Where are you, Gary? Just for you, buddy, one color. So,
Pretty cool purple, huh? It's like your shirt.
right.
What?
So the first 10 bundles are for the smaller stuff, and just to let you guys know, as we progress throughout the day, the prize value of the bundles increases right up to the point where we give away the solo catback and drop system and a whole bunch of other stuff with it. So the first bundle is a uniform shirt, a uniform ball cap, and a lockdown security parity pouch for those of you that aren't familiar with uniform of the 1285. They were formerly under the
Yeah.
I didn't realize there were different grills when I bought it, so. But you can't really tell them this. Water down?
No, they pick those.
This is. Wow. That's cool. And a convertible. With Willwoods. It's got everything, eh? That's great.
We had our
Yeah. So she drove
1971 wrestling mod. 5-speed.
wheels, the tires, all that. I mean, if you could figure it out off the set, right?
This is something you all
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh yeah.
For sale. 260,000.
I think at the end, more or less, they're the same. This, I like this color, sassy raspberry. This looks nice.
Yeah, so
Yeah, kind of wild. What did I say?
I'm not trying to get it in my workshop. Supposed to be done yesterday. I told the guy 10 times yesterday to go pick it up, and then he finally came back this morning and said he planted corn. He's a farmer. I go, you dick, I need to try for work, man. Like, you know, if you couldn't do it or whatever, like,
where did you take it to?
oh, some guy farming. He's actually, this guy's doing a 70 Roadrunner for a guy.
Oh yeah. I'm glad you're
original-
being inclusive anyway.
Huh?
I'm glad you're being inclusive. Since you said you put a tranny in the front seat.
Don't even go there. I blew my drink.
Oh really?
We got an issue in my little hamlet with a camp that's run by a transvestite. So anytime that tranny thing comes up, we refers to a joke. Yeah. Oh yeah, right there. Right next to that hall. You know the hall, the corner there? It's
No, I haven't been to Sweating Park for probably 20 or 30 years.
Oh really?
Oh well, I gotta talk to these
Well, if you want to
guys.
buy some meth or whatever, don't you find they got it right there?
Nice. Is that why you moved there?
No, they moved there after I moved there. So what have you been doing nowadays? I was talking to Pete a couple weeks ago. Went to pick up my oil. I had to order a bunch of oil. So I head over to pick it up, but also all-wheel quarter shop there anymore. So I had to go to his house. Yeah. Got a good setup going on there. So did you get the dyno on all that stuff? So you still doing the same deal? Or?
Yeah, I'm doing it. I work for a millionaire.
Oh, so you just doing a
This shark. They're down here in well, it's not going to be very drivable. Do you own a Hellcat now?
I have two tone sauce.
Those are nice driving.
Yeah,
But they're crazy driving.
and they're a lot heavier.
Yeah, it's got heavier. They got all the inline brakes. They got the control, all that stuff. It's built.
Motors in the door.
You take